In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export iPhone contacts to Gmail. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your iPhone contacts safely moved into Google Contacts so they're available in Gmail and across your Google services. First, grab your iPhone and open the Contacts app. This is the default app that shows all the contacts available on your device. What you see here is what you're going to export, whether they're stored locally or synced from accounts you've added to your phone. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks up to date. Next, we'll select and export the contacts. Tap Select at the top corner of the screen. You can tap individual names to pick and choose, or if you see Select All, use that to grab everything in one go. When you're ready, tap the Export option. Choose Save to Files, then pick a location you'll remember, such as on my iPhone or iCloud Drive, and tap Save. Your contacts will be saved as a single file, often a vcod with a .vcf extension. Make a mental note of the file name and where you stored it, because you'll need it in a moment. Now open Safari on your iPhone and sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Head to Google Contacts. It's important you're in the same account you use for Gmail so your newly imported contacts show up where you expect them. Inside Google Contacts, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the menu, then choose Import. Tap Select File. This opens your Files picker. Navigate to the location where you saved the contacts file, select it, and confirm. Finally, tap Import. Google will read the file and create contacts for each entry it contains. Give it a moment to finish. The import may take a little time if you have a large address book. When it's done, you should see your names appear in Google Contacts. From now on, when you compose an email in Gmail, those contacts will be available for autocomplete and they'll sync to other Google services tied to the same account. If you notice any duplicates after importing, Google Contacts offers tools to help clean them up. And if privacy matters to you, remember that the exported file contains personal details, so store or delete it thoughtfully once you're done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.